Come with me to pack my hospital bag for my baby number 4. Yes, so this is a preggy mama that has to pack her hospital bag. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Someone tell me All right, that's me. I don't know why I have to wait for more than 36, 37 weeks pregnant before I know I'm going to pack my hospital bag. Like, what the heck am I waiting for? I kept procrastinating like for the longest time. And thank God finally I am packing my hospital bag. So guys, I'm going to be showing you everything I packed for myself and for baby to the hospital. And yeah, I'm using these cute travel cubes, to make organizing my hospital box very easy, seamless, and beautiful. So the first thing I'm packing for baby is this cute soft shawl. Is so beautiful. My husband got it when he traveled one of his trips to South Africa, and I love it so well. And the second is this towel. So when you've watched the video before this, if you've not watched the video before this, please pause and go and watch the video of the baby gender review and our baby shower. So when you watch that video, you know the gender we are expecting. So it will be very easy for you to flow with the choice of colors that I'm using or that I chose for this particular baby. So I love this cute keep so well. So I just packed this for the baby, I put it inside a box. So beautiful. You see how arranged it is, this time around we're doing it's a fizzy style. So the next thing I'm packing for baby is this diaper from August, UK brand, or the UK version. I decided to do the international version this time around instead of the Nigeria one. I did just want to hear stories about diaper rash and all that at a very early age. No. So the next thing I did was the wipes from August as well. Then these are toiletries for the baby. So there you have the Aveno liquid soap, the Aveno cream, the antiseptics, the spirits, all the whole bathing things for the baby. Then the next thing I'm packing is this feeding bottle from Best Moms. I've used them a couple of times. I also used this bottle for my third baby and I didn't regret it. So I decided to put it in this cute little bag, but it was looking like it wasn't going to fit in. So I decided to transfer it into a bigger bag. The next thing is this wearable breast pump from Best Mom. I love this wearable breast pump, like I love it so well. I have used it and I can recommend it for anyone that is really, really, really want to take exclusive breastfeeding seriously. I really do love it. And this is me just unboxing it for the first time and just checking it out, and it looks so cute. So I packed them into my hospital bag, and that is it for the breast pump. So this time around I'm using one of those travel cubes to pack the baby's sleep suits, the baby's onesies. So this is what I use in packing all of them. So let's take a moment to appreciate and admire how cute these baby sleep suits are. They are so beautiful. I packed a whole lot of clothes for the baby. I don't want to hear that there's no clothes again. And thank God I did pack a lot of clothes, because when baby was in the hospital he had jaundice, and the jaundice lingered for some days and we had to stay back in the hospital. I was so happy that I made the choice of packing this plenty clothes, because I didn't even have to start looking for who we go home to go and get clothes for me. Do you get? And the clothes are so cute. This particular one was gotten from South Africa as well. Most of my baby clothes were getting from South Africa. When my husband traveled, he shopped for this baby. In fact, this baby is a blessed baby. This baby is an international baby. Oh, look at this one. This is one of the onesies. I packed plenty onesies. We call them pin up. I pack a lot. In fact, at the point I'm like, am I not packing too much like this? Am I not? But it's better too plenty or too many than not even enough. I didn't even want to go through the scenario of not enough. So I brought so many of them. I'm just like, okay, should I add this? Should I add this? See, the ones are so cute. I picked these were the time I didn't know the gender of the baby. So I was more on the neutral colors like white, brown, cream, things that does not tailor down to a gender boy or a gender girl. So that was what I was getting then. But when I now know the gender of the baby after the gender review, I decided to spoil my baby with his color. So I picked some cap, I picked some socks. Like I got a whole lot of socks for this baby. This baby is going to outgrow plenty socks. And during the baby shower, he got so many socks as gifts. In fact, your uncles and aunties do not want you to ever feel cold in your feet because he has so many socks. So these were this beep. I just his meeting. Everything was just packed in this cute bag. So cute. And I was sure that everything was good. Baby things is all packed family. And now to over to my own things. So I was thinking the first thing I packed for myself was just this lady sept sanitary towel. I always packed four, but this time around I used more than four. I used about 6 or 7 because I don't know why I kept spotting for a longer time. Like I kept spotting. I won't call it bleeding. I kept spotting up until 3 weeks of baby. Yes, up until 3 weeks. So I used a lot of the sanitary towels. Now what I'm going to wear, you guys know I always like wearing something that is very, very free. I'm going to definitely be delivering this baby through CS. So you do not want anything that will be uncomfortable. So I decided to pick some dresses, some no boo trousers, and this is my breastfeeding bra. So it's going to make breastfeeding and pumping breast milk very, very easy. So I decided to pick two of them. So these were things I packed for myself. And this particular nightingale, yes, that's the word, nightingale, my skin prep and everything that has to do with my skin, my vitamin C, my serum, my niacinamide, my cream, everything. I make sure everything was packed, my perfume, my sponge, my hair bonnet, everything was properly packed, guys. So these were the things I packed for myself. Please, guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to your family and friends. These were all I packed for my hospital bag. I will definitely see you in my next video, guys. I love you. Bye bye.